Good morning, everyone. I'm doing yet another week in my life. I was in Connecticut last week for softball, and I just have not worked out in so long. I've played softball basically every single day for the last like 2 weeks, but besides that, I haven't done any running or strength workouts, so I'm trying to get back on track, as well as everything else in my life. I just want to get back on track and everything like that. So I'm going to be going on a run. It's currently 8:30ish, and I woke up at 7:45, so let's go on a run. First up, in case you care, this is my outfit. We had to click pause on our run a little bit because I had to take a massive Let's hit the road. Just finished my run. I'm very sweaty. It actually wasn't as hard as I was expecting, considering that I haven't gone on a run in over a week. But living my best life, gonna go home and I want to start doing my Chloe Ting workouts again. Not necessarily just Chloe Ting, just YouTube video workouts again, because I haven't done that in a while, so I'm probably gonna do that. It's so dark. Just finished Chloe Ting. I'm dead. I did it. All right, my essay is done. Well, not done. Whoa. I went back and added a little bit more information because I feel like I didn't elaborate enough. I feel pretty confident with this now, and I have to look up her address to see what time I have to get there, because I really don't know how far it is. I know it's in my town, but I still don't know, so I'm gonna shower. Bruh, that was so freaking good. I've heard good things about this girl before, but she literally so funny, so nice, really loved me, so nice to me, loved my essay topic, literally thriving. I'm at the mall with Emma. We went to Lululemon. I bought a skirt. Very impulsive buy. Found an American Eagle, trying on a few things. This is the first top. It's just not really, I don't like the neckline, and it's just simple, so I'm not gonna get it. I have really bad sweat stains. I've got a few other clothes to try on. I just don't like them. This one shoulder top did not fit correctly, and this not the vibe. I just don't like the color on me. I didn't even try it on, but I'm on my way home for my last club softball practice for literally ever. Me and my friend Colby and my friend Morgan all cried because me and Colby are leaving the team because we're not playing college, or not trying to play in college at least. And I'm really emo because I took the long way home, and now I'm almost home and people are staring me by. It's green light. All right, don't mind my room. It's actually a mess right now, but fun fact, I'm actually starting a tie-dye mask company. I just want to pop in here and say that my tie-dye company has launched. If you guys follow me on Instagram, you guys probably already know that, but I launched a tie-dye business called Dyed by Steph. So definitely go follow Dyed by Steph on Instagram. You can see what super fun masks I have going, and I'd love if you guys would support it. I don't know, I just kind of woke up one day and I was like, you know what, I'm starting this, and that was a month ago, and I've been slowly gathering our materials, prepping, making the social media accounts, everything like that. And I'm finally ready to start. So today I'm going to start by making a few masks. Yeah, I'm just gonna get my tie-dye and just go at it, I guess. I don't know. FaceTime with Emma. Hi. And I'm doing some college research because my mom yelled at me that I haven't done shit for college, and she's accurate. So I made a little college notebook, and I'm gonna write down all the things about the schools and stuff, and figure all that out. Okay, I have to meet my friends at a frozen yogurt place in 20 minutes. It takes 20 minutes to get there, so I really gotta hustle and leave. I just got Hollister, Free People, TJ Maxx. I just got to the frozen yogurt place, and they're actually closed. This happened last time me, Reagan, Abby, and my friend Emma tried to come. I don't know what their hours are, so I'm gonna text them and figure out what to do. I also have to figure out how to set my camera up because I have never filmed a video in my car. I just don't know how I'm supposed to do this. I'm going to go ahead and rinse out my friend Claire's mask. She wanted a pastel pink, so I just diluted the normal pink dye to make it pastel-y. I look buff. Also, I should definitely be wearing gloves so I don't contaminate the dyes, but we're a startup business and I don't feel like going in my room to get the gloves. This is sort of cute. I think I should add more pink to it. Yeah, I think that's way better. Update, I'm about to shower, and these two masks are done. This one's for Reagan. It's multicolor, which I'm really nervous about. And then Abby has a light pink. I've made 3 light pink masks today. So I'm gonna go in the bathroom and rinse these out and see how they turn out. This is Abby's mask. Once again, there's always a white spot. So I think I'm gonna go in right now and just add some more pink. There we go. And let it air dry. Super nervous about this one though. Oh yeah, there's one spot where it definitely messed up. Oh my god, wait. This is sick. I love this. Oh my god. Another white spot, so I'll probably just add a little bit of yellow because I feel there's not enough yellow in this. It is Wednesday. I have a jam-packed day today. I woke up at 7. It's 9:30ish right now. I went for a run at 8. I'm ready to get my day started, so I have to go shower in a second because I'm still all sweaty. But I made a little to-do list. Okay, it's not even that much. I just haven't like done anything because of like COVID. So I have a call at 11 for an internship I'm doing. Then after that, I'm going to hang out with my friend Jamie, and then I have to come home, go to a birthday party. I have to buy a birthday gift for my friend. So hopefully I'll do that while I'm out with Jamie. I have to leave Claire's birthday party like 4 hours early to go to practice. I have to go to practice, and then that is it for today, but that's a lot for me. So I'm gonna hurry up and shower. I wanna get some editing done. I also have to do some more college research because I have not done any of that besides Penn State, and I need to have like obviously more options than that. I don't know. Oh, I'll show you guys the mask. I just have all of them hanging up here. Don't mind my nails. They're literally so crusty and chipped, but they're also stained with dye and they like are not coming out, so perfect. This is my tester one that ended up really nice. I actually am gonna wear this today probably. This is for me, this is for Reagan, this is for Abby, this is for Claire. This is for Lauren, this is for Daria, this is for Daria. This one over here is for Leanna. I'm dressed and ready for the day, so I need to clean my room really quick because my mom keeps getting mad at me that my room is an absolute mess. I got a little package for a little partnership with my gals over at FabFitFun. Popping in here to say that this video is actually sponsored by FabFitFun. Thank you so much to FabFitFun for wanting to work with me. Literally, I have wanted to try this box for so long, seen all my favorite influencers promote this brand, so I was super excited when they reached out to me. But if you don't know FabFitFun, they are basically a subscription box where they send you full-size beauty, fashion, lifestyle, and fitness products. I've always been super interested in this, so I am super excited to dig in and let's just see what they got in here. Each box has a value of over $200, but you guys can pay $40 using the code StephOliver. Let's dig in. Let's see what we got in here. Let's open this little booklet. First off, the first thing I see is this. This is by the brand Glossmetics, and according to our little guide, this is a hair removal device. Basically, I'm assuming this is kind of similar to laser hair removal, which is actually really cool because I always wanted to get laser hair removal, but I'm actually terrified because no. Next up, we have this big boy. This is by the brand Uncommon James. This is 2 copper canisters. Whoa, they meant canisters. I was picturing like a little like tumbler cup, but this is sick. Room decor. You can definitely put like your toiletries or something like that, even like pens or pencils, whatever. Definitely gonna get so much use out of these because I think they are dope. Next, we have this Glow Milk. Oh my god, okay, so this, I guess this is like a highlighter. I personally don't wear makeup, but I'm definitely gonna give this to one of my friends because I am super picky about like beauty products and stuff, but anything I do not use will go into good use. Next up, we have this. Ooh, I'm definitely gonna get use out of this. It basically is for my hair. It's for hair that's like damaged and dry and has had like treatments done to it, like keratin. Me back in the day, you know the vibe. Then we have these. Were these some glasses? Let's see what this is. Oh, these are blue light glasses. All right, that is sick. I look stupid, so I'm taking them off, but I literally have to edit a video right now, like right here, right now. I will be wearing these glasses, you already know. Then we have some hair clips. Definitely gonna give these to one of my friends because I know a friend exactly that will love these, but I can't wear hair clips like this. Then we have, ooh, Anastasia Clear Brow Gel. This is such a good brand. Lastly, we have this pumpkin spice pedicure kit. It says these are massage butters. They're pumpkin spice flavored. We love anything pumpkin spice. So it's like a foot soak, I guess, which is so sick. And they gave me 4 of them, which is hype. Oh, I'm stupid. There's more than 4. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And lastly, we have 2 little coupons. So this is for HelloFresh, which my family actually uses, and Bright Sellers, which I guess is like a wine subscription box, but I don't be 21. That is everything in my FabFitFun box. Thank you so much to FabFitFun for sending me all these products, and here's a little more about FabFitFun. With the fall theme of Gather the Good, I feel like fall is just a great time to make new memories and gather the good, if you will. FabFitFun is a committed partner to No Kid Hungry because I know how important it is for kids to get 3 healthy meals a day. This being said, FabFitFun will be accepting donations from FabFitFun members during this crisis in their fall add-ons and edit sales. Once again, use my code StephOliver to get a FabFitFun box for just $39.99 when it is normally valued over $200.
Woof.
Internship call is in 3 minutes. I kind of wish it was like a face-to-face call because like I can't talk on the phone. I'm so awkward. Also, I only got 1 minute and 40 seconds into my editing, and that took 15 minutes. Right now, I'm on my way to go meet my friend Jamie. I'm driving to her house like 25 minutes away. Then we're going like 20 more minutes away to get lunch. I'm bringing my tie-dye mask. Gang, gang. I need some water. Hold up.
Hey, Common. It's me. I've been thinking about you lately. I miss you.
All right, I just packaged up these 3 orders. So this is Reagan's, this is Claire's, this is Abby's, and then Lauren's didn't dry yet, so I'm gonna have to sit there with a hair dryer. We are at Claire's house. I'm getting ready to leave in like 5 minutes, but she has a big bounce house. I'm not filming her house. But we had Chick-fil-A for dinner. It was really good. I ate way too much fruit in Chick-fil-A, but I tried to make a TikTok. I am not coordinated, couldn't do it.
The one where comment down below, knock on the door, pull the latch.
I think I'm on straight TikToks. I don't know that. But yeah, I'm leaving in a few minutes to go to practice, but here's the bounce house. We came to a little restaurant in Maddie's town and we got some food. So I got a plain burger, waffle fries. Colby got a cheeseburger, waffle fries. Maddie got a steer burger, waffle fries.
Burger, thank you.
But their waffle fries literally slap. I'm so excited, so I'm gonna eat I'm sitting at the place where I have softball. I hung out with Maddie and Colby and Morgan, and I launched Dive by Steph while I was sitting in Maddie's basement, so that's really exciting. I have to go home and make another order. Literally dead. It's the next day. I woke up at 6 a.m. Had to go to softball. Drove an hour and a half to softball. Game ended up being canceled because it was pouring rain, but then we drove home, went to Chick-fil-A for breakfast. I got a biscuit. So good. Then I took a fat nap. Wasn't gonna vlog today, but I have 2 more mask orders I have to make. It is 4:40 in the morning. I have to leave my house to drive to my coach's house because she's driving me to our tournament today because, I mean, it's really early and I don't want my parents to get up and have to drive me an hour and a half at 4 in the morning. I have to go downstairs, pack a snack to eat in the car for breakfast, and fill up my big water jug. Super fun. I'm back from softball. I've been laying on the ground because I got home and we stopped at a bakery on the way home to get pastries and stuff for me to bring when I go down the shore, and also for my dad and mom to bring to a party they're going to tonight. So I ate 3 little cookie things from there. They're this big, but they're dense. I'm in so much pain. My stomach is just not doing well today at all. So I'm gonna shower because I'm still in my uniform and I need to get out of it because I smell disgusting. And then I also have to make a mask because I got another order.